guys, I'm back, and today we are going to talk about prepositions.
Prepositions are any member of a class of words found in many languages that are used before nouns, pronouns, or other substantives to form phrases functioning as modifiers of verbs, nouns, or adjectives, and that typically express a spatial, temporal, or other relationship.
Okay, let's make it simple. Prepositions are usually very small words used with nouns or pronouns to introduce space, time, or direction. To show you the most important prepositions in English, I'm going to need a box. There. And also a ball. I said a ball. Hey! I said a ball! There. Now, the ball is on the box. If I remove the ball and put it here, the ball is near the box. But I can catch this ball and do this. Whoa! Where did it go? Where? Okay. The ball is under the box. Can you see? Under. Okay, so let me remove this ball and I'll put it here. Now, the ball is in front of the box. If I catch this ball and I put it here, the ball is behind the box. Can you see the box? I can open it. Whoa! I can put the ball inside the box, but I can also remove it. Now the ball is outside the box. Okay, we don't need this box anymore. But I'm going to need a line. The ball is below the line, but I can also put it here. Now the ball is above the line. Did I ever mention to you I like playing basketball? Yes, I'm a great basketball player. Can I have 2 basketballs, please? Okay, we have 2 basketballs. And I'm going to put my old ball here in the middle. The ball is between 2 basketballs. Hey, can I have more basketballs, please? I said more basketballs. More basketballs! Whoa! Whew. Alright. So we have many basketballs here, right? Can you see the ball? The ball is among basketballs. There are many, see? I don't want to talk about basketballs anymore. Whoa, that was too much. Let me talk about something cute. My cat, Juan. Juan is Spanish. Juan loves jumping. Can I get the box back? Okay. Juan, can you jump for us? Whoa! Did you see? Juan jumped over the box. Juan, can you jump again? Whoa! Wow! Juan jumped onto the box. Juan, can you jump again? Okay. Juan jumped off the box. That was awesome, Juan. You guys remember, I can open the box, right? Let's do it. Woo! Juan, I need another favor. Can you jump again? Okay! Juan jumped into the box. Juan, can you jump out? Juan? Juan. 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 Oh, there, did you see? Juan jumped out of the box. Guys, that's it for today. Bye bye and see you soon.